What constitutes acceptable sovereignty?
The Fulfillment of Predictive Programming by Joseph Gregory Hallett.
There, look! What does it say? What language is that? Brother Maynard, you're our scholar.
The 3rd of April 1975 is intelligently timed exactly 1942 years after Crucifixion Day, the 3rd of April 33 AD.
It's Aramaic. Of course, Joseph of Arimathea. Of course. What does it say?
It reads, "Here may be found the last words of Joseph of Arimathea. He who is valiant and pure of spirit may find the Holy Grail in the castle of...
The castle of Ar indicates the Rosicrucian regal era palace dedicated to the Holy Grail, occupied in 1975 by the son Grael's future-in-laws in the royal town of Sintra, Portugal, inferring port of the Grail.
He must have died while carving it.
Joseph of Arimathea was the first 007 and working for RR royalty, as confirmed by post-crucifixion details like no body.
Oh, come on.
Well, that's what it says.
Look, if he was dying, he wouldn't bother to carve arm. You just say it.
Gregory Hallett worked with 1, 2 or 3 007s, including John Ainsworth Davis, Christopher Creighton, but not Fielding.
That's what's carved in the rock.
Well, does it say anything else?
Flick left to right for the Freemasons, then upside down for the Illuminati. It begins to read. Holy Grail.
That's what's carved in the rock. That's what's carved in the rock.
Well, does it say?
Gregory Hallett.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
Well, does it say anything else?
Give him Holy Grail.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
Gregory Hallett, Holy Grail.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock.
777 equals the Shin, N times and N times Palace, Story Palace.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock. That's what's carved in the rock.
Gregory Hallett 777 Holy Grail is running the Shin and representing the N times.
You just say it.
That's what's carved in the rock. That's what's carved in the rock.
It was Portuguese masons who carved Roslin Chapel, and the same school of Portuguese masons who carved regal era palace, hence the Holy Grail connection. The Holy Grail is the solar chalice of the legislators Akhenaten and Jesus. The spelling of Holy Grail was Grael, from Charlemagne to Joan of Arc. Since 1961, Gregory Hallett has been an anagram of Holy Grail. On the 29th of May 2010, Roslin Chapel was purposefully closed early, knowing Gregory Hallett, Holy Grail, had been locked inside. Joseph Gregory Hallett was the first to publish images of the Holy Grail at the End Times New Age changeover on the 16th of August 2014 in Faro.
How could it be any other way?
The Holy Grail was placed in Joseph Gregory Hallett's home for a time in 1970. What's in a name? Nomen est omen. The name is a sign that speaks for itself. From the comedy Persa by Plautus, 254 to 184 BC, the first Latin literary work to survive in its entirety. From 6000 BC, Persa was the royal dog of Egypt, the noble one. From 250 BC, Persians, Persa, were exiled to New Zealand as Waitaha, as per Gregory Hallett. From 1840, Queen Victoria's England adopted the Persa, Persian Greyhound or Saluki. Persa held the princely line of Mirutuk.
How could it be any other way?
Monty Python's Life of Brian was released the 11th of August to Christmas 1979.
We have come from the east.
Gregory Hallett lives in East Anglia.
We were led by a star. He is the Son of God, our Messiah, King of the Jews.
Joe, or Joseph, is played by the star Gregory Peck in the 1953 Coronation Year Roman holiday, an anagram for H royal domain, as in her royal domain transferred to his royal domain.
That's just him. By what name are you calling him?
What's your name?
You may call me
Greg! Lay your hands on me! Greg!
Chosen one!
Greg!
The chosen one!
Lay your hands on me! Greg!
The chosen one!
Thank you.
What you said just now, quite extraordinary. You're so right. And you said it. It's our revolution. We can all do it together. We're all behind you. The revolution is in your hands.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
You know, you come from nothing, you go back to nothing. What you lost? You'll see it's all a show. Keep on laughing as you go. Always look on the bright side.
If you have enjoyed this film, why not go and see La Notte? The 1961 La Notte has the letters on Hallett, indicating it's on Hallett. La Notte is about a writer in an architectural setting as per architect-writer Gregory Hallett, born in 1961. La Notte means the night, the party centered around a winning black horse, indicating the Black Knight, and a dark horse winning. La Notte. The Sleepwalkers, George VI impersonation.
Chi sarà che legge i sonnambuli qui?
Sleepwalkers, between recurrence, incarnation, and reincarnation, or the changing relationship between faith and reason. Seemingly contradictory threads exist harmoniously in the greatest intellectuals, the most groundbreaking thinkers, often spiritual, breaking paradigms in order to create new ones. Scientists try too hard to be rational, and are at their best when they behave as sleepwalkers. Interchangeable with Angle, indicating Anglia, meaning Anubis is representative in Anglia.
Wolfgang.
Saint Wolfgango was the patron saint of Regensburg, previously Castra Regina, Latin and Italian for castrate the Queen's camp and castle.
Wolfgang.
Signor Antonio! Signor Antonio!
Cesarino! Antoine! Cesarino! Antoine! Cesarino! Antoine!
Caesar no, Antoine is homophonous with Caesar Antonius, indicating Gregory Hallett.
Cesarino! Antoine! Preciso! Cesarino! Antoine! Preciso!
Shares indicate son of a champion shearer, as per Gregory Hallett.
Merci.
Biblical references. He Jesus or Christ is pure or gura. 1 John 3:3.
Mi permetto di presentarle il dottor Pontano, la marchesa Gentili, esperta in orfanelli.
Marquises are in charge of the borders. Marquis Gentili alludes to a Gentile lord in charge of the border between the end times and New Age. Orphanages is code for true royal and exilarch.
Sai chi vedo spesso? La Grimaldi, te la ricordi?
Princess Grace Kelly became a Grimaldi when she married Prince Rainier III of Monaco in 1956, who then unplugged her life support system the moment Gregory Hallett turned 21, the number of the Shin, and running the end times, indicating Gregory is the Gentile Marquise. Grace of Monaco became the world's biggest public sacrifice. After Jesus. More biblical references.
Ho sentito parlare molto bene.
I've heard so many good things about you.
Noi ci siamo visti un paio.
Haven't we met before?
Lei ha già cenato.
Grazie, più tardi.
Would you like some dinner?
Lei ha già cenato.
Later, thanks.
Grazie, più tardi. What's your name?
You may call me.
Lay your hands on me. Quick! The chosen one!
Notice. Notice of copyright 2018. Joseph Gregory Hallett. All rights reserved. Elizabeth is only recorded as Queen, randomly, about one day a fortnight. She is not ever Queen of England. Notaries are fully aware of Elizabeth's illegitimacy, but are bound by their two oaths. Use of any part of this film, documentary, MP4 slides or images, on a website, requires courteous prior written consent of Joseph Gregory Hallett, and a link to www.kingof.uk. No part of this documentary can be used to assist any other challenge or claim to any crown hat, throne and/or crown. Penalty is all costs and claims of all parties in favour of Joseph Gregory Hallett. As well as this notice being legal and lawful, the purpose is to hinder false claimants muddying the waters, known as shitties, and Elizabeth employing shitties to make false claims via her agents. The intention is that shitties and claimants do their own research. Research is part of the claim and verifies the claimant. Joseph Gregory Hallett asserts his claim as head of the House of Joseph, and King of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and all Ireland.
The chosen one!
You are heir, Joseph.
Quick!
Hallett.
Of abdication renouncing your place as a throne and the claims of your entire family. Sign it. Give it back! Give it back!
There is no Queen of England. This is the real world, and you need to wake up!